Hey guys, this is Welshie from Welshie Tech. The video I'm doing right now, this is back to school laptop deals from Amazon. I'm going to be adding the links to the description for each laptop, and I'll be adding photos with also voiceover to say which one is the best deal. There will be entry, middle and gaming categories, from the cheapest to basically the best bang for your buck laptop for gaming. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to find us on Facebook at Welshie Tech. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much. Welshie out. Hello guys, this is Welshie from Welshie Tech. Right, this is back to school. I've put some recommended laptop deals from Amazon. The first one here right now isn't exactly a recommendation. I put this one on for lols for £110. So please bear with me. The best ones are coming too. Thank you. This one is an Acer Chromebook 14-inch. It's definitely worth it. It's got an Intel Celeron. It's got 4 gigs of RAM, 32 eMMC. It's got Google Chrome OS, which I personally have got one. This OS is brilliant, especially for browsing the internet, Facebook, stuff like that. So for £250, it's not bad for the price, so go check it. Link for this will be added in the description. Next one is a HP EliteBook 840G1. This is definitely still relevant today for £265. It's still got an i5 4th gen processor, 8 gigs of memory, it's got 180 gig SSD, it's got a webcam. It's definitely worth it, especially for the price, £265. I would definitely buy it because that is definitely capable of a lot of things. I wouldn't say gaming, but it's definitely capable of mini workloads. So yeah, this one here is a Lenovo V130. So it's got a 16-inch screen. This is definitely a good buy. This is Intel Core i5, 7200U, 2.5 gigahertz. It's got 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gig SSD, Intel graphics. This is brilliant for doing your schoolwork and all that. For £345, definitely worth a look. This one then is definitely another look. This is an Asus K55 so a 15.6-inch screen. It's got an AMD R5 2500U. It's got 256 gig SSD, 8 gigs of RAM, and Radeon Vega 3 graphics. For £400, this one is definitely going to be a workhorse, so definitely go check it out. Next one is an Asus TUF FX 505. This is a 15-point-inch screen. This is definitely worth it. It's a 120 Hz monitor. It's got AMD Ryzen R5. It's got NVIDIA GeForce GTX 650 4 gig. It's definitely worth it, especially for gaming. It's definitely worth having a look. It's for £650. For the price, I think it's not bad, especially considering the specs. The last one is the best one. This one is another Asus TUF, but this one is a 17.3-inch full HD IPS thin bezel gaming laptop. This one's got a GTX 660 Ti 6 gig graphics and AMD Ryzen R7 quad core. It's got a 512 gig PCIe SSD, 8 gigs of RAM. This one is definitely worth it. It's good for gaming as well as light workhorsing. Right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. This is Welshie's recommendations for Amazon going back to school. I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much. This is Welshie. Goodbye.